What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. It's Jasmine Jazzy B, and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and comment as well. This video will basically be a video on how I achieved this nude lip, but we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to get right into it. Okay, so I will be using nude lipstick, a brown lip liner, and clear lip gloss. I will put the items in the description below so you guys can see the items I used to achieve this look. So right here, I'm just wiping off the foundation that's on my lips so I can start with a blank canvas. So I'm about to line my lips with brown lip liner. Make sure it's sharpened so you can line your lips very precisely. So right here, I'm taking my nude lipstick from e.l.f. and I am putting my nude lipstick on my lips, making sure that I do not put the nude lipstick over my brown lip liner because we don't want the two to mix just yet. So right here, I'm putting on clear lip gloss. I feel like the more lip gloss, the more better, the more your lips will pop. So I'm putting on lip gloss and I'm just blending it in by rubbing my lips together. So right here, I took a piece of tissue and I'm just basically blending in my lip gloss, my nude lipstick, and my lip liner. I'm just patting it very gently.